Hello guys, welcome to SWK Tutorials. Today I will be replying a common question asked by most beginners. Sir, there is a smooth mesh preview mode in Maya, that is 3 key on the keyboard, to show objects smooth in the viewport. But when I render it, the object don't appear smooth in the renders. So what's the solution? The solution is extremely simple. Let's see an example. Select the mesh, press 3 on the keyboard and render it. You can see here that the object is smooth in the viewport, but it's not appearing smooth in my renders. So all you have to do is you have to go to your render settings, override, geometry and check viewport subdivision. By the way, I am using V-Ray 5 and render again. Now, the object is appearing smooth in the viewport as well as in my render. If you like this tutorial, give it a like and comment below. Bye bye guys.